Facebook is one of the applications which is installed on almost every Android phone around the world. There are over 1 billion active users every day, but sadly there is no night mode or black themes available for the application. If you are looking for Facebook dark theme or night mode on Facebook and Messenger, the Facebook application alternatives come with the feature of customizations. So, you can try downloading the alternatives, which are small in size and smoothly running. We've downloaded the Maki application, which is one of an alternative to the original application. Go to Play Store and install Maki for Facebook and Messenger. Log in with your Facebook details. Tap on 3 dots menu icon. Then head over to Settings. Tap on General. Choose the theme as Emerald. That's it. For Facebook Messenger, a new hidden trick allows you to enable the dark mode in Facebook Messenger. Yes, it's official but hidden. Just download the official Messenger application on your smartphone and then follow steps on my other video.